Doing some brakes on the 40 outside. Rotors don't look so bad, but we'll check that when we're done. Brakes don't look too bad. Wore down a little bit. Figure might as well replace them though. So this is a 74 FJ40, but it's got the 78 disc brakes. First thing I'm going to do is take off these clips here, and then I'm going to pull these pins, and then I'm going to release this zerk fitting and try and spread those pistons without taking the caliper off. Okay, I'll let you know how it goes. Pulling the pins, just rotating the clip off. Just gonna put it right here, that way I don't lose it. Pushing the pins out. Same place. So the pins and the clips are off. Now I'm going to get my 10, loosen this zerk fitting. She's a little tight. I'm going to spray a little lubricant on there. So I'm going to spray some PP Blaster. What's going on here? Okay. Just a little bit is all we need. Okay. There we go. Okay, just want to turn it one turn, just for now. You know what, I'm just going to close it and spray some brake clean. Okay, now I'm going to give it the one turn. Alright, I'm going to get some pliers and stuff and pull those out and spread them apart. Okay, loosen this, just giving it one turn. Okay, now I'm going to try and spread these apart, the pistons. So I'm going to stick a screwdriver in there, another screwdriver. We'll begin some brake fluid, just pushing out. Maybe I need to turn a little more. Well, she's pushing back. Maybe I won't add a brake fluid. So I did check my reservoir, and it was a little low because I already did the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up a little bit more, and then spread these apart some more. See if we get any fluid. It's kind of weird that I didn't get any fluid. I mean, I already did the other side anyways, you know, but I'm just wondering. Yeah. So right now I'm just spreading the pistons, so I can remove the brake pads. It looks like I got plenty of room now. Just pushing them back, but I'm not getting any fluid out of there. I'm gonna have to look into that. Okay, there's one pad. They don't look so bad. Maybe it hasn't been working. We'll have to check that in a bit. But that's how I remove the pads. I'm just going to press those pistons and so to press on those pistons and give it enough room to put the new brakes on, what I did is I just put the old brake pad just on there on the side in between the piston, and then a screwdriver, and then just pry at it both ways and just push on the piston. That should give me enough room. The brakes that I got, just got them at AutoZone, and it came with a little anti-squeak, just that gel that I'm going to put on. But I'm going to check and see if I've got enough room. Looks like we got enough room. Try that one. Try this one. Yep. Got plenty of room to put it on. Then again, put that wire back on, then put those pins on. I'll clean them up a little bit and add a little grease to it. That way they slide in real good with that anti-squeaking grease. Just put it in the holes. Go through there. All right. But it kind of bothers me that I didn't squirt any brake fluid out of there. I'm wondering if I got a leak somewhere. You know, it is pretty dirty right through there, but I think that's just from the knuckle. Maybe I'll have to follow my lines and see what's going on. Okay, I'll get back with you. I'll finish up these brakes and go from there. Thanks. So I just put some of that brake lubricating grease on there. And to be honest, you know, the squeaking and stuff, I'm probably not going to hear it because I got this big old 402 big block in there with dual exhaust. Yeah, so, okay. But anyways, I'm just going to put it on there, smear it around, and then put it back in. Then put the pins in. I'll do the same thing. I'll add some of this lubricant grease to those pins and slide them through. Okay, guys. So if you're having a problem getting your pins to line up when you're pushing it in, just grab some pliers and maybe just move it in or out just a little bit, and those pins should go right through. Okay, I'll put this clip on, go from there. Okay, clips are in, brakes are in. That probably didn't take longer than a half hour. That's from taking off the wheel to me finishing up right now. I am gonna have somebody get inside and press on the brakes, and we'll check and see what's going on. So, got a helper. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, go ahead, push on it.
Okay.
Push again.
Okay.
Okay. Is it up or down?
Fully depressed.
Huh?
Fully pressed.
Okay, let it back up.
Okay.
Okay, push on it again.
Down.
Okay, let it back up.
Okay, it's up.
Okay, push on it now.
Down.
Okay, let it back up.
Up.
Okay, push down.
Down.
Okay. Okay, let it back up.
Okay.
Okay, push on it.
Down.
Okay, thanks, son. All right, so what I think was happening is the brake fluid was coming out, but this is probably clogged, and that's why I couldn't see it shooting out. So brakes are working, pistons are pushing. I'm just gonna add a little brake cleaner, take care of this. All right, well, that's how you do your brakes. Thanks for watching.